You open a square pizza box, only to find a perfectly round pizza inside. It's a sight we see all the time, but rarely do we stop to ask, why do we put a circle inside a square? Strangely enough, the secret isn't just about aesthetics. It's a silent engineering balance between cost and physics. Imagine a company producing millions of boxes every year. A round box requires complex, curved cutting, extra parts, glue, and significantly higher manufacturing costs. A square box, on the other hand, is stamped out from a single flat sheet of cardboard that can be folded and assembled in seconds with virtually zero waste. And that's not all. They arrive at restaurants as flat sheets stacked neatly on top of each other, saving massive amounts of space during shipping and storage. An employee can assemble one in seconds without using any tools. But there's another secret. How do 4 empty corners keep your pizza crispy and protect it from getting ruined? Before we reveal the answer, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel to discover how engineering shapes the hidden details of our daily lives. The truth is, those corners aren't wasted space. They create pockets of air that allow ventilation and reduce moisture buildup around the pizza. If the box fit the exact circular shape of the pizza, steam would get trapped inside, condense, and turn that crispy dough into a soggy, limp mess. It doesn't stop there. The square shape distributes weight efficiently, making the box structural and sturdy when stacked during delivery, so the pizza never gets crushed. Even those empty corners serve a practical purpose. They make it easy to slide your fingers in and grab the first slice without messing up the melted cheese. The next time you open a pizza box, take a look at those simple corners and remember, that square isn't just a box. It's a clever engineering solution designed to make your meal cheaper, easier to transport, and far more delicious when it reaches you.